Hi, welcome back to One Man's Work. Today I'm showing you how I built a holster. Right here you can see I've traced a pattern on some paper and I'm putting it out on the vegetable tan leather to be cut out. In this I've cut them out and then I've used contact cement on both sides of the inside where I'm going to glue the two pieces together so I can stitch them together in those locations. Notice there's no glue where the handgun will sit. So I've got them glued together here and this is how I put the holes in very specific locations to sew through. It makes it much easier to hand stitch. Use a drill press with a very small bit to go through and put those holes exactly where they need to be. In this you can see I've got the holes drilled everywhere I want to stitch, and then I've got some pencil marks where I want to put the belt loop holes roughly laid out in pencil. So getting ready to stitch here pretty quick. So this is the stitching. I use 2 needles and I use some very robust thread that's real strong and go through both sides so it looks like it's machine stitched on both sides very well by hand and put it all together. Then I move on to what I need to do to form the leather to the proper shape of the holster. I literally have traced it on the outside so it's going to be a real tight fit. So I soak the oil, vegetable tan leather down real good with warm water to make sure that it's good and pliable so it'll take the form fit. And then I make sure the handgun's ready to go. And I take the handgun and then just plunge it into the holster and mold it with my thumbs and fingers to mold it around. Of course, I make sure the gun's safe so there's no ammunition or anything, and then make sure I take good care of the gun when it comes out, make sure it's dried off well. So then I move on to letting it dry. Pull it out and let it dry well. In this picture, it's fully dried almost completely, and I'm putting in the locations for the belt loops here in this photo. Then I move on to whatever dye I'm going to use. In this case, I just use some brown shoe leather dye. It looks really nice, I think. And then I follow up with a brown shoe dye with the Snow Seal beeswax to really waterproof that leather. Here's the finished product holding the gun. I've added a snap to retain both the hammer and the firearm. Holds really good. I'm a big fan of pancake holsters. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.